Hello, Jen here from 3D Universe, and yes, I am sitting in a van. I have just unboxed my very own Ultimaker S3. I set it up, and as a newbie with a 3D printer, now I have to decide what my very first 3D print will be. And I realized that it's not really 2021 unless you have 3D printed yourself your very own Bernie in Mittens. So, since I am converting my van into a little camper van and planning some road trips very soon, and I can't take anybody else with me because of a pandemic, I have decided that Bernie will now be my adventure buddy. So, I'm going to head back into the house and see if I can figure out this whole slicing, send a print, peel them off the print bed process, and then get us started on our adventures. Let's go! Okay, so I am going to thangs.com where I have found the bundled up Bernie file from Chaos Cortec. If you haven't seen the video from Joel Telling or Chaos Cortec on the process that was used to create this amazing design, please do. It is absolutely amazing. I have never done this before, so let's see what happens here. Looks like you just click and drag. Oh, wow. Oh, Bernie, you need to do some squats, buddy. You got a little flat bottom going on there, but I guess that makes it perfect for sitting in my van. So I am going to scroll down. Okay, so here's the download all button. I am going to download now. And then open that up. Here is the Bernie STL file and the chair. So I am going to now switch to CURA. Okay, so I am now in Ultimaker CURA. I haven't played around much with this. I've been watching Jeremy's YouTube video on deep dive into CURA on 3D Universe's channel, and it has been a lifesaver. I have learned everything I need to know to get started. So if you are a brand new to 3D printing person, I highly recommend that you go check out the video. I'm going to open up my Bernie from my folder, open him up and bring him into CURA. And let's see, I'll zoom in a little bit. Looks like you can see where he's going to need supports because he's obviously floating right there. I haven't played around with infill because this is my first 3D print, so I'm going to leave it on the default settings, which looks like it's about 20% infill. I do know, however, that he needs support. So I'm going to click on the support box, and that will give him a better chance of surviving a 3D print. So there is that. I'm going to close that out. And then I'm going to click on slice. I'm going to do a preview. It looks like it's going to be about a 5-hour and 27-minute print. So I'm going to click on preview and see what happens. Oh, Bernie, I really hope you are not claustrophobic, buddy. I am claustrophobic, and just looking at this is making it difficult to breathe. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Print Over Network and get this job started. And then hopefully when I wake up in the morning, I will have my very own bundled up Bernie travel buddy to paint and take on an adventure. So here we go. It has been sent to my Ultimaker S3 and is preparing to print. So as you can see, my Ultimaker S3 is currently 3D printing my very own bundled up Bernie that I will be taking on little adventures in my van very shortly to hopefully warm places that we both agree on. He doesn't really get to say much because I'm driving, and it's just the way it goes. But I am super stoked to see him coming to life over there, and I'm looking forward to popping him off of the print bed, giving him an amazing outfit, and hitting the open road. So I will check back in a little bit and see where we're at with this print. I did it! I made my first 3D print on my Ultimaker S3, and my Bernie buddy is ready to come off of the print bed. I have my handy dandy scraper, so I can get him off of there into a bucket of warm water, and hopefully the supports that are currently suffocating him will dissolve, and I can pull him out of there, paint him, and we can get ready for our adventures in my van. So now it is time to get the scraper going and go from there. So let's do this thing. So now I gotta get Bernie off of the print bed. So I'm going to take him out of here like so. He comes right out of there. You can see the coolness of the materials, and I am going to start extracting him now. Alright, let's do this. Alright, Bernie. Come on, Bernie. Ta-da! Look at that. My Bernie buddy. So, as you can see, I got Bernie off of the print bed, and he is fully encased in PVA material, including his face, which makes it pretty impossible to enjoy the sights while you're riding in a van on a road trip. Also, it's kind of hard to breathe. So I'm going to put him in a bucket of water and dissolve all of this material, and then get him on his way to getting painted and adding a little color to his life, and then we can be ready for our adventures. So here we go. Let's go, Bernie. Okay, Jen. I can't breathe. Get me out of here. With the PVA on him and a bucket of warm water, and Bernie is going to go inside of there, which will dissolve the PVA support material. So in a few hours when I come back, he should be ready to go and ready to get painted, and we can get on our way. So let's put him in here. Well, he's trying to escape, so I'm going to have to pretend I'm a mob boss and hold him down with a big fat rock. Sorry, Bernie. Gotta be done. He'll be sleeping with the fishes. So I'm back, and it looks like Bernie is ready to be freed from his prison. And let's get him out of there. Look, he's already coming up for air. Huh, Bernie, you're alive! Oh, this is so cool. He's got a little bit of goo stuck to his foot. Let's get that off of there. Kind of gross. Like he stepped in something at the park on the way to the inauguration. But for the most part, he is pretty much cleaned off and looking a little grumpy about having to have been dunked in a big bucket of water. But I'm going to clean him up and get to giving him some fancy new outfit to wear on our road trip adventures. Bernie, we did it! You're alive! Look, I'm alive. So, Bernie has now been painted. He has a fabulous travel outfit, if I must say so myself. And we are ready to hit the road for our very first adventure. Here we go.
Did you get that on video?
I did. Oh, Bernie. Ah. Well, I guess now I know what my very first 3D design will be. A safety seat for poor Bernie here, so that he doesn't fling himself across my lap every time I turn a corner while we're on our adventures. Make sure you follow along with us on shop3duniverse.com. I will be making more videos and showing my process of learning how to do all of this as a newbie who's never designed before. So make sure you follow and subscribe. Check out our Instagram. Bernie now has his very own Instagram, Road Trippin' with Bernie. The link will be in the comments below. And yeah. Wear your seatbelt, kids.